Hi students, let's see exercise 3.2 question number 5. Ready? So what you want to do? Make sure that you are watching the previous videos before watching this one. For that what you will do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ready? So let's see question number 5. The question is, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. That means you want to find out length and breadth of the rectangular garden. Ready? So what is given here? Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Ready? So before doing this one, let us see perimeter of a rectangular garden. What is the equation? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the equation? 2 into length plus breadth. Ready? So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now length is 4 meter more than its width. Ready? So before doing the other steps, let's write first. Let x be the length of the rectangular field and y be its width. Ready? So x is the length and y be the width of the rectangular field. Ready? That means now see this one. Length is 4 meter more than its width. Length is, what is the length here? Length is x. So x is 4 meter more than its width. 4 meter more than its width means width plus 4. 4 meter more than its width. Ready? So x equals, what is the value of width? Y, isn't it? So y plus 4. Ready? So now what you will do? X, this y will carry to next side. That means minus 5 equals 4. Ready? This is equation number 1. After that, check it the next one. Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is, that is, say this part, half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. See, this part is the second part. What you will do? Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. That means given half of the perimeter equals 36. Ready? That means this implies half perimeter. What is the equation? 2 into length plus breadth equals 36. But we know that this 2 will cancel. So we'll get length plus breadth equal 36. That means length is x and breadth is y. That means x plus y equals 36. This will be equation number 2. Ready? Now we are going to solve it by graphical method, isn't it? So what we'll do? We'll write the first equation one more time. That is what? That means we'll write x minus y equals 4. After that, therefore. Now what we'll do? This y will carry to next side. That means x and this 4 will bring to this side. That means 4 is coming to next side. It will be minus 4 equals minus y goes next side plus y. Therefore, y equals, see, y equals, what will happen? X minus 4. Is it okay? Now, when x equals, I am just putting 4. Therefore, y equals, in place of x we will write 4, isn't it? So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Ready? Next step. When x equals, you can tell any value. Ready? You can write any value. So I am just writing 5. When x equals 5, therefore y equals, what will happen? In place of x we will write 5. That means 5 minus 4 equals 1. So we will make the table now, that is x, y, after that coordinates x, y, because we are going to solve it by graphically, isn't it? Now x, what is the value of x? First we took 4, that time we got the value of y as 0, that means the coordinates are 4, 0. After that we took the value of x as 5, that time we got the value of y as 1. So the coordinates are 5, 1. Ready? Let's see now the second equation. What is the second equation? X plus y equals 36. Now, therefore, y equals 36. This x will carry to next side. Minus x. Ready? Now, we will put the value of x. That means when x equals 26. Therefore, y equals, what will happen? 36 minus 26. What you will get? 10. Ready? After that, one more. When x equals, just I am taking 10. Therefore, y equals 36 minus, in place of x, what you will write? 10. That means 36 minus 10 equals 26. Let's go for the next table. So let's make the next table, that is x, y, after that coordinates x, y. Then first the value of x is 26, that time we got the value of y as 10. So the coordinates are 26, 10. After that the second we took x as 10, that time the value of y we got 26. So the coordinates are 10, 26. Now we'll go for the graph. The graph now, the first table, that is 4, 0, x equal 4, y equals 0. x4 means right side, x4 means right side, isn't it? That means here, x4. y0 means x-axis, that means this is the point. What will you write here? 4, 0. Ready? After that, x equals 5. X equals 5, y equals 1. X equals 5 means in between 4 and 6. Ready? So this middle line. Ready? But y equals 1 means after 0 but before 2, that middle line. So these two joining place. Here what you will keep? This is 5, 1. This is 5, 1. Ready? Now we'll join this. So we got the line now. So here we wrote x minus y equals 4. Okay, let's see the next table. That is x equal 26, y equals 10. X equal 26. X equal 26 means right side. X equal 26 means right side. Ready? See this one. Ready? After that, y equals 10. X equal 26 means right side. Y equal 10 means upside. See this 10 and 26 joining place. This is the point. What you will write? 26, 10. Second point, x equal 10, y equal 26. X equal 10 means this one, right side, this one, and y equal 26, this one. See this horizontal line. So this joining place. Here what you will write? 10, 26. Now let us join this. See now we got the next line, isn't it? After that what you want to do? You have to write the equation x plus y equal 36. Now see the joining place, this point. X equals 16 and y equals 20. So 16, 20. Ready? So we got it, x equals 16 and y equals 20. Therefore, x equals 16 and y equals 20. That means width equals 16 and length equals 20. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 6. I'll read the question once. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is, first one, intersecting lines. Ready? So what you will do? First, what is given we will write. What is given? Given linear equation. Given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Ready? That implies, this one you can keep it as a1, b1, c1. That implies a1 equals 2, comma, b1 equals 3. Ready? And c1 equals minus 8. Ready? Say a1 equals 2, B1 equals 3 and C1 equals minus 8. Now what you'll do? And the another linear equation is, just we are writing a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Therefore, for intersecting lines, what is the condition? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. For intersecting lines, the condition is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? This implies, what is the value of A1? We got already. What is that? 2. 2 by A2 not equal to, B1. B1 is 3. 3 by B2. Therefore, we can have A2 equals 3 and B2 equals 2. The meaning is, these two when you cross multiply, this should not be equal. That means I am taking A2 is 3. That means these two multiplying, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. 4 and 9 will not be equal. So we can take A2 as 3 and B2 as 2. Of course, the other one and C2 we are taking as minus 7. We can use more values to get different equations. Ready? Therefore, the required equation can be, what you'll do? A2x, that means 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Let us see the second part. For parallel lines, what we'll do? For parallel lines, we can write the condition A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That means what I am going to do, A1, A2, B1, B2 will keep us same. Only the C2 part, C1, C2 part we are going to change. Then the required line will be parallels. Then what you will do? First equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the given equation. Ready? Now what you will do? A1, B1 we will not change. Only C2 will change. Got the idea? That means what you will do means, for the next equation we will take C2 as minus 12. You can use any value, no problem. But just I am taking C2 as minus 12. A1, B1 will not change. Therefore, the equation can be taken as but you know, first and second will not change, only the last part, means the third part. A1, A2 part will not change. That means 2x plus 3y minus 8, we will write minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Let's see the third one. For coincident lines. For coincident lines, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. For any linear equation parallel to 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 can be written as two into 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This implies 2 into 2x, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 into 3, 6y minus 2, 8s are 16 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Ready? So let's see the next question. Let's see question number 7. I'll read the question once. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 equals 0, and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Ready? First, what you will do? We will take the two equations and from there we will make the table. After that we will go for solving by graphical method. Then we are going to get one triangle. See, first equation. What is the first equation? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Ready? After that, therefore, x plus 1 equals, what I am doing, minus y will carry to next side. It will be plus y. Therefore, y equals x plus 1. Now, when x equals 3, therefore, y equals 3 plus 1, that is 4. One more, when x equals 5, therefore y equals 5 plus 1 because x plus 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we can make the box here. See, x and y. X first we took 3, that time the y was 4. Of course, we will make one more, that is coordinates xy. Ready? That means we will write 3, 4. After that, x equals 5 and the value of y is 6. That means we will get 5, 6. Ready? Let's see the next equation. What is that? 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, I am keeping only 2y here. See, this 12 minus 12 goes next side, plus 12, plus 3x goes next side, minus 3x. Ready? Therefore, y equals 12 minus 3x is already here because minus 12 goes next side, plus 12, plus 3x goes next side, minus 3x. After that, 2y means 2 multiplying 2y. So, the 2 goes next side, multiplication goes next side, divide by 2. Ready? Now we will take when x equals 0. Ready? Therefore, y equals 12 minus 3 into 0 by 2 equals 12 minus any number into 0 or 3 into 0 is 0 divided by 2 equals 12 minus 0, that is 12 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are, we are cancelling by 2. So, we got the answer as 6. After that, when x equals 4, therefore, y equals 12 minus 3 into, in place of x we will write 4, isn't it? Divided by 2 equals 12 minus 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 by 2 equals 12 minus 12, 0 by 2 equals 0. So, we will go for the second table. Ready? First xy, after that the coordinates xy. X is 0, that time we got the value of y as 6. So, the coordinates is 0, 6. After that x we took 4, that time we got the value of y as 0, the coordinates are 4, 0. Now, we will do it in graph paper. Let's see the graph now. The first table, 3, 4. X is 3, y is 4. X3 means right side. See this line, x3. y4 means this one. See, y4 this line, x3 this line. So, this joining place. Here what you will write? 3, 4. 3, 4. Ready? After that, x equals 5, y equals 6. X equals 5, y equals 6. See, 5, x equals 5, this line, y equals 6, this line. See this joining place. See here what you will write? 5, 6. Ready? After that, these two will join. See, already we got the line now. Ready? Now what you will do? We will write the equation. First equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Let's see the next line. X equal to 0, y equals 6. X0 means y axis. X0 means y axis and y6 means upside. This is the point. What you will write here? 0, 6. Okay. After that, x equal 4, y equal to 0. X4 right side. y0 means on x-axis. y0 means on x-axis. x4, y0, this point. So what you will write here? 4, 0. Now let us join this. See, we got the line now. So we have to write the second equation. Second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now, what is the question? Check the balance question. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So, we have to make a triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. This line means these two lines. Ready? So, these two lines and the x-axis. That means this is the region. See, this is the region. Ready? After this, what do you want? We want to form the vertices. See, this joining place, what will be here? X is 2, y is 3. That means 2, 3. This point. Here, this vertex is 4, 0. This vertex is x minus 1, y 0. So, this point is minus 1, 0. Because on x-axis means y equals 0. Ready? Here, the vertices are, see, we can start from any point. So I am starting from here, minus 1, 0, after that 2, 3 and 4, 0. So we got now the entire exercise. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the balance videos. Ready?